Welcome back. Thanks for checking out my channel. Hope you like what you see. Like and subscribe and I'll see you very soon again. This video is going to be about simple enchantments, and we're going to do a enchantment for protection. Okay, so first I have my ritual space set up, and just a little brief understanding of what this is each candle produces energy. The crystals keep that energy flowing, one facing out for any negativity to be released and as a ward. And my necklace in the middle. And this simple enchantment to start is to understand what you want the enchantment to do. And that is called setting an intention. You can either write it down, or you can just hold it within yourself. So I have my intention set. I'm going to light a little bit of sage as the herb that I'm going to use to seal this enchantment. There's not many better herbs for protection spells than white sage or purple sage too. Oops, I put that one out. That's okay. I'll just light it again real quick. No harm, no foul, right? So I have my sage, and I'm gonna just 3 times dab, 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 dab. Very good. Now we can put the sage down. Take my handy dandy wand here, and I say, I seal this enchantment. I seal this enchantment. I seal this enchantment. Dab, dab, dab. And the reason why you want to touch the object that you're enchanting 3 times is that it helps seal it. And I'll also I'll cleanse the space of the actual necklace itself instead of just the charm. So I'll go along it like this. Clear out any energy. And boom, my enchantment is done. So, if you found this helpful, or if you want any more information, please just comment below, and I'll for sure read your comment and we can have a discussion. You should also check out the Witch and Pagan app. It's an amino. I go by Ancient Mystic, the Mage, and join one of my 1,000+ subscribers on there. Have a good day.